Some eucalyptus mountain gum, Eucalyptus plana, growing here on Salt Spring Island. And man, those eucalyptus are sure looking nice, eh? Those trees?
Yeah.
I grew those from seed, God, more than 25 years ago. Sue Beckley planted those things years ago. Yeah. They're just thriving. Subtropical at its best right there, man. Those are full-blown subtropical trees.
Yeah.
Yeah, they're gorgeous. Bees love them. When they're blooming, bees absolutely go crazy on them. It makes like the best honey right there, man.
Yeah, I know the smell when they're...
Oh,
it's so nice.
it is nice. It is really good. That's what we use to heat our house, is the firewood. We have so many of them. We have them cut and then they grow back again, right?
Right.
Yeah, and we use the bark to start the fires. Yeah, if you got a wood stove, you put the leaves in the pot of water on the wood stove and it'll make your air smell like that eucalyptus.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's really cool, man. Man, they're
Well, you guys have a good day.
Yeah, you too, man. Take care. So those are eucalyptus mountain gum or white gum growing here on Salt Spring. Don't they look much better than those ugly, deciduous poplar trees? Pampas grass blooming.
Oh, they've got their tree decorated.
There is magnolia, southern magnolias. This garden is full of palm trees. So many palm trees in here. You can see them in the distance there. Right there. And let's go look at well, I'm going to take another video. I'll show you a monkey puzzle that's decorated for Christmas. It's right over there. It's pretty awesome. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more videos here from Salt Spring Island, Canada. And try a gum tree in your own garden. They're pretty cool trees. Cheers.